Good morning. This is Embedded System Laboratory DET 3109. For practicals and experiments, we are uh, considering the Keil Macrovision 5. This is in previous videos we have seen how to install the Macrovision 5, what are the different menus. Now we'll consider how to create the new project. So this is Keil Macrovision 5 software is launched. Under the menu project, if I click the menu project, there will be new Macrovision project. We'll start the new Macrovision project. It will consider any particular folder. If you want, you can change that folder. If you want to check the ready-made examples, we can go into C, Keil 5, C51, examples, and suppose hello example. There is already ready hello project. We can hello project is existing, so it is not considered for new project. So we can open it and we can check the hello project. So open project, and in folder C, examples, suppose hello project, we'll open it, and this opens. And we know, as this is the ready-made project, we are having the settings already set, that is device type, the output, the target. Okay, so we can evaluate with the debug and we can run the simulation. Okay, so we have to build first. We'll build the file. So after building, there is no error, and now we can debug. Without building, it will show error. Now we can run it, and it starts running, and we can check the port because port P1 is used here. So we can check here the port P1. Port P1 is toggling for each time the printing, and we check it is toggling. Okay, so this is port P1. Okay, we'll stop this execution and we stop this debug and we close this project P1. Close the project. Okay, now we'll go for open new project. Open new project. Now it can open in the same folder, but we do not want the same folder. Suppose we have created one folder on the desktop. So I will click desktop, and on desktop there is a Keil Macrovision. Okay, so I will write or give the project P1 and save it. So it will ask the IC 8051, select, suppose, let us say generic or Intel, generic 8051, make it OK. So project folder, yes, and it will create here the project. Open the folder, open the source group, right click and add new item to group source group 1. Okay, we have to add C file, give the name same, suppose say P1 and add it. It will open the file hash include reg51.h is a header file included and void main void so e should not be there. We'll remove it. Curly bracket of main void and unsigned int say x and y, two variables will take, then infinite for loop and that is for semicolon semicolon and the block starting of the for loop block command block of the command say let us consider as assigning p1 0x00 that means x00 p2 0x00 p3 0x00 p4 sorry p3 and first one is p1 p0 0x00. After this we'll have the for loop for creating the delay for x equal to 0 semicolon x less than 2500 semicolon x plus plus bracket complete. We will not give the semicolon after this for loop so that the next for loop will become the part of this for loop. Y equal to 0 y less than 2500 semicolon y plus plus and we will give semicolon for this for and this block we have to repeat. Okay, so I will copy this block and paste after this. Okay. So we'll change suppose this to 1, this to 5, this to AA and this to FF and the delay will be there after this also. So curly bracket of for loop block is closed and curly bracket of main void block is closed and this is program completed. We have saved it and we have to build it. Build it. Okay. So there is error. Semicolon is there. 1820. Yes, in the bracket for loop, the semicolon is missing. So we'll have the semicolon there. So error will be removed and we'll save this. So this program we have included RG51.h wide main wide and side integer xy used for as a variable for the for loops. For loops are used for delay. First P1 is send 00, P0 to P3 all send 00, then P1, P0 send 1, P0, P1 send 55, P2 send AA and P3 send FF. So let us save it, rebuild it. There are no errors and debug it. After debugging, let us run it and check the peripheral port 0, then peripheral IO port 1, then peripheral IO port 2, then peripheral IO port 3. Okay, you can stack nicely like this, and we can check the ports are having some delay to display the data 00 and 01, 00 and 55, 00 and A, 00 and FF for port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Tick means it is 1 and empty means it is 0. Okay, so we can stop the simulation by stopping here the execution and stop the debug. Okay, so this is the execution of the program.